Now, I just want to say this is a quick disclaimer. This is not typical. And it requires hard work and discipline. I'll come on to that in a minute, right? So some people, for example, they watch avatar videos and they're like, oh, that's so lazy. Why are you not creating videos yourself? But the thing is here is actually, if you're creating like a good system with good quality videos, etc., then it does take a bit of work. So I'll run through that in a second. But let me go through the system. And then also, the other benefit of this is that you save time. So for example, if you're creating a YouTube video, well, that used to take me like 8 hours if I was sitting down manually. It might be 8+ hours to record a video manually. Bear in mind, like, you've got the thumbnail, you've got to sit down and come up with the idea. You've got to, for example, come up with the structure of the video. And also you've got to make sure that you actually sit down, record it, and articulately present yourself, right? And so it's a lot of work to create a video manually. So I actually figured this out, and I was like, okay, well, right now it takes me 4+ hours per day to create videos, back in the day, a few months ago, when I was creating videos manually. And then I realized, okay, well, if I'm spending 4 hours a day, that's 28 hours a week that I save. Right? Which is 28 times 4. That's 112 hours per month saved, right? If you had 112 hours extra per month as a business owner, what could you do in that time? Could you grow your business? Could you focus on other stuff? Could you hire better people? Could you build better systems? Could you focus on something else that isn't content creation? Absolutely, right? And so that's the goal here. It's like, number one, you reach more customers. Number two, you turn attention into revenue and profit. Number three, you save a lot of time. All right. And so those in itself are super useful. And then also this is very, very scalable. So for example, if you're creating videos manually, you only have so much time, right? So that's constrained. If you create videos with AI, well, you can create as many videos as you want, as long as the current videos are performing really well. And so that's the difference here, right? So why would you want to create this AI system to get 100K views per month? Well, I've walked you through all the different steps right here, okay? Now, let's take a look at this channel and see how it's performing. So I'm actually going to take this like so. I'm going to run you through the numbers here. All right.